Welcome back, SpartanxNation, to another Halo-themed unboxing video. Today, if you can't tell by the title and thumbnail, we have the Razer Collector's Edition, Limited Edition of the keyboard, mouse, and mousepad. We have the Razer Deathadder V2, the Razer Blackwidow V3, yes, and the Razer Goliathus Extended Chroma, which means that my mousepad now has RGB. Does your mousepad have RGB? And here we have the mousepad right there. It's the world's largest lighting ecosystem for gaming devices. It's got the micro-textured cloth surface, optimized for all sensitivity settings and sensors, a non-slip rubber base, and powered by Razer Chroma RGB. Let's start off by just Alright, let's get that open. Pull that up. A fold roll. Wait, how am I supposed to not? Okay. Alright, so we get a little Halo Infinite game add-on, which I will be playing Halo Infinite with this, so I'm gonna just put that to the side. And no one else can get the code. My code. Ooh! The most important part of any unboxing. Stickers. Right there. Instructions, who needs that? And is that it? Alright, let's open this right here. I don't really think there's much to talk about on this, other than it's a very nice, very large mouse pad that lights up. I don't think there's much else. Information on a mouse pad. The Master Chief on it, and the UNSC logo. Let's go to the mouse now. So the mouse is the Razer Deathadder V2 ergonomic wired gaming mouse. Okay, that is one of the cleanest looking mouses that I have ever seen. You got your code for the special offer. Who needs instruction manuals these days? So we got the mouse right there. I love the packaging. Very sleek. I'm breaking things. It's okay. We're fine. So we have the mouse right there. It's very lightweight. It's going to be so different than the mouse that I currently use. We'll set that aside. There's really not much to talk about. It's a very nice feel to it. It's very comfortable. I like where the buttons are located on the side. Quick access for thumb. The Razer Blackwidow V3 keyboard and armrest, which just comes with cable routing options, multifunction digital roller and media key, UV coated ABS keycaps, ergonomic wrist rest, Razer mechanical switches for quick, precise execution, transparent switch housing, and switch is a Razer green mechanical switch, the holy grail of keyboards. You guys ready? Ooh. And now we get to the main event. I don't want to. Is it bad that I don't want to remove it from the box because it looks so pretty in there? The armrest in here. That is a solid piece of metal. I'm trying to get it out. It's going to be a little bit difficult. But I did it. So you can achieve anything you want if you believe in yourself. This is the armrest. Let's get it out of its little casing. I honestly thought it would be cushioned at least. But it's not, and I don't know how that's going to feel on your wrists. But yet again, I'm not complaining because it's Halo themed, and we all know Halo is one of the best games. This is exciting. Let the plastic off, toss it away, and this is the full keyboard. Look at that. And the keyboard itself, I know what you guys are all here for. How does it sound? I like that in all of these products you have Master Chief's number somewhere on it. 117 for Master Chief, 117 for Master Chief, and 117 for Master Chief on all of them. You've got the UNSC logo on 2 of the items. Yeah, the mouse doesn't have the UNSC logo. Escape key and the UNSC logo right there. The roll switch right here, which is also a button. And you have another button right there. This is really cool. I really like this. And now let's put it all together. That's the whole collector's set. Aside from the headphones, which is the Kyra Pros, or the Razer Kyras, of the Halo Infinite set. And I will be gaming with these, and we'll see some gameplay later on in another video on my channel. Which, if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. I think we're going to leave this video off right here. I will catch y'all in the very next video or live stream. SpartanxNation. Action!